In an age where safety is paramount and the line between the known and the unknown blurs, doorbell cameras offer us a glimpse into the unexpected. The feeling of security is a delicate balance, and behind every door, a story unfolds. Our first video footage shows a mother and her kids returning home, seeking warmth and safety within their walls.
Who are you talking to? Why? Why?
But a few seconds later, we see a strange man following them. He silently makes his way to the porch. We can't even guess his intentions. He tries to open the door as if he expects it to be open. But the luck isn't on his side. Is this a harmless encounter or a potential threat? He tries to knock but gets no response. Eventually, he walks away. Later, the woman found out that this man was standing near her house, talking on the phone, and he looked anxious. Also, as she found out, he was following them all the way from the store in his car and parked his car only a few houses down. Later, she told the police, "I don't know what this man's intentions were, but I don't think it was to rob us. I do believe that this was random and that we were not specifically targeted, but that he saw an opportunity when he saw a woman and two little girls go into the house alone." This man was never found by the police. A masked individual was going around and knocking on the doors of several houses late at night.
Yeah, I can hear you.
A young guy was threatening to throw rock at the window if the owners didn't answer the door.
How can't you answer your door if we're right by it? No. Stop stalking people.
He acts like he sees people inside the house, but there was no one at home at that moment.
Throw a rock at me, I'm gonna throw a rock through your window. You're sitting right there looking at me? It just pisses me off.
Back in June 2021, a lady shared some videos from her Ring camera online. On the first few nights with the cameras, her phone kept buzzing with messages. So she checked them out, and here's what she found. A guy was walking all around the outside of the house. Right away, she noticed how he moved like he knew exactly where everything was. This got her worried, thinking it might not be his first time doing this. Peeking into different windows, including hers. Scared, she called the police. They came later, but the guy had already disappeared. She was still worried he might come back. So, she set up a little trick outside her window. She tied a rope between two trees, hoping the guy wouldn't notice it and would trip, making a lot of noise. A week later, at 2 a.m., she heard someone tripping over the rope. Quick as a flash, she grabbed her phone and opened the live camera feed. Right outside her window was the same guy from before. She ran to her mom's room, told her about the man, and both of them went back to the window. They opened the curtains and started banging on the glass to scare him off. They called the police again, but when they showed up, the guy was gone, like before. Frustratingly, they never caught him. In the end, the woman and her mom decided to move to a new house. This video was taken at 3 in the morning on April 9th, 2023 in Albuquerque, New Mexico. The person who owns the house was asleep when this happened. When he checked the video the next day, he was really shocked. Here's what he saw. A woman is seen trying lots of different keys to get into the house. She even looks around, trying to find a hidden one. The homeowner said he didn't know this woman at all. He mentioned she started throwing rocks at his car and messing with the locks. Many times she tries to put keys into the doorbell camera itself. After a few minutes, she walks away and is never seen on the property again. This is a terrifying situation where some robbers were trying to break into a house. The person who owns the house tried to stop them, and it ended in a fight. Sadly, those criminals ended up taking his life. And this video features a disturbing moment of a man trying to get into the house.
Are you sure? I just rang your doorbell because I have a couple questions for you.
The most horrifying thing here is that actually he's talking to himself.
Are you sure? I just rang your doorbell because I have a couple questions for you. I just have a couple questions for you. Are you sure? Are you positive? I just have a couple questions for you. Are you absolutely certain?
After he gets no response, he decides to leave.
Sure.
So who are you?
What? Yeah? Are you sure?
Who are you?
Hey, I just had a couple questions. I just wanted to ask you about
But suddenly hears the other man's voice in the speaker.
Yeah, can you hear me?
The man comes back and says the same all over again.
What I'm looking for is for the girl that's in the house to come out here because I'm going to rape her and kill her. Do you have her open the door?
He admits having a gun and a knife.
I want to rape her and kill her because I have a knife and a gun. Yeah, and I'm going to knock on the door again. All right.
After getting no response, he walks away. The man accused has been brought into custody.
Yeah. What?
In this video, a camera catches a lady showing up at a house really late at night. She says she needs a phone charger, but the way she acts makes it seem like she might have some bad plans. What do you guys think? On an otherwise ordinary night, a woman is alerted to the presence of a stranger standing on her porch. Concerned, she uses the speaker to question the man about his intentions.
Yes, can I help you?
Yeah, there's somebody out here with a gun.
What?
The man, looking distressed, responds with a claim that someone with a gun is after him, forcing him to seek refuge in the perceived safety of a stranger's home.
Shot.
There's somebody outside with a gun.
Conversations unfold, the woman seeking clarity, and the man providing vague and unsettling details about the perceived threat. After that, the man just walks away. Take a look at this person who seems a bit drunk standing outside a house. When the owner saw him on camera, he started making excuses.
Hello?
How's it going?
Hello?
Where is it? Hello?
Hello?
How's it going? Is there a Jasmine here?
I'm sorry?
A Jasmine? Or a JoJo?
No, there's not a Jasmine here.
There's a JoJo, or that's what you said? Alright, I was looking if she's here or not. There's no JoJo? I know I said JoJo. Oh, alright, for sure. It sounds like her. You sure it's not you, JoJo? You don't have any tattoos at all?
Our porch?
For sure, I'm looking for JoJo. She sent me this address.
This is the wrong address.
Well, alright.
told you.
Like, obviously, she didn't even answer my question, so yeah, I'm trying to get an answer, dude. So get as mad as you want. It's obviously got an answer.
Get out of here.
Yeah, God bless. You have a great night.
If these stories resonated with you or left you questioning the safety of your own doorstep, don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell. Share your thoughts in the comments below. Your stories, your experiences,